Hi. Welcome to Infinite Wealth YouTube channel. It's a place where you will find financial and investment tips for your financial freedom. This video is produced completely by AI and you should study your own before making any investment decisions. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only way to make a living. In today's economy, there are more opportunities than ever to escape the rat race and create a more flexible, fulfilling career. If you're tired of working long hours for someone else, here are a few ways to escape the 9-to-5. 1. Start your own business. One of the best ways to escape the 9-to-5 is to start your own business. This gives you the freedom to set your own hours, work from anywhere, and make as much money as you want. Of course, starting your own business is not easy. It takes a lot of hard work, dedication, and risk-taking. But if you're willing to put in the effort, it can be a very rewarding experience. 2. Freelance. If you don't want to start your own business, you can still escape the 9-to-5 by freelancing. Freelancing allows you to work on a variety of projects for different clients, which can be a great way to learn new skills and build your network. Freelancing can be a great way to supplement your income or even replace your full-time job. However, it's important to note that freelancing can be feast or famine. There will be times when you have a lot of work, and there will be times when you have very little. It's important to be prepared for this and to have a financial cushion in case of slow periods. 3. Get a remote job. Remote jobs are becoming increasingly common, and they offer a great way to escape the 9-to-5 grind. With a remote job, you can work from anywhere in the world, which gives you the freedom to travel and explore. Remote jobs can be a great way to improve your work-life balance. You won't have to commute to an office, which can save you a lot of time and stress. You'll also have more flexibility to work around your personal commitments. 4. Move abroad. If you're really looking to escape the 9-to-5, consider moving abroad. There are many countries that offer great opportunities for digital nomads and entrepreneurs. Moving abroad can be a great way to experience a new culture, meet new people, and learn new skills. It can also be a great way to save money. In many countries, the cost of living is much lower than in the United States. Escaping the 9-to-5 is not easy, but it is possible. If you're willing to put in the effort, you can create a more flexible, fulfilling career that allows you to live the life you want. Before you decide to move from 9-to-5, here are some additional tips that you need to be aware of. 1. Have a clear idea of what you want to do. What kind of business do you want to start? What are your goals for the business? Once you have a clear idea of what you want to do, you can start planning and taking steps to make it happen. 2. Stay focused and persistent. Starting a business is hard work. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. But if you stay focused and persistent, you can achieve your goals. 3. Do your research. Before you make any major decisions, it's important to do your research and learn as much as you can about the different options available to you. There are many resources available online and in libraries that can help you with this. 4. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to escape the 9-to-5 overnight. It takes time, hard work, and dedication to make a successful career change. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. 5. Don't give up. There will be times when you feel discouraged and want to give up. Don't let this happen. Keep working hard and never give up on your dreams. These are tips and tricks on how you could possibly escape your 9-to-5 job. Please be advised that it's just resources and tips for your additional research. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.